Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Indian Bites. Today I am not going to show you any recipe. As you can see, there is an instant pot right over there. So this is my marriage anniversary gift by Mr. and Mrs. Dingley. So I would like to say thank you Mr. and Mrs. Dingley for such a lovely and wonderful gift. This is a 9-in-1 instant pot Duo Plus, and this is a new model arrived in the market. So without wasting time, let's open the box. So this is a 9-in-1 Duo Plus multi-use pressure cooker, and it has 9 functions as the name suggests. So right now you can see on the top of the box pictures given all related to parts and accessories of these products. So you can see lid picture, the stainless steel vessel picture, and on the left hand side you can see accessories pictures. There are bundle of booklets inside the box. First is like safety and warranty, safety measurement given inside the booklet, all about the functions and instructions, everything. Okay, so let's check out. So this booklet is all about initial setup and all the information like how to clean, and if troubleshooting then what you have to do, all the information related to these things. This contains all the information. And next and last booklet is about cooking time of different foods. So you can check out with cooking time whatever you are preparing. The next part I got, this is a power cord. Of course, yes, this is a power cord. Now let's check out the lid. The lid is quite heavy. It seems it's a good quality. And inside the cooker, this is a trivet. This is also made up of stainless steel and one condenser. I got one condenser inside the box. So this is a stainless steel and it's a very good quality, so heavy, it's nice. And this is a vent for releasing the pressure. Yes. Let's check out with its function, like how many function and what we can do with this. So first you can pressure cook, you can make soup, broth, you can make meat, you can make cake, egg. And it has a slow cooker function too. On the right hand side you can see you can make rice, then grain, porridge or oatmeal, you can steam, then you can make yogurt also and sterilize. So basically these are the 9 functions. So I hope you will like this unboxing, and very soon I am going to upload recipes, instant pot recipes. So if you don't want to miss those recipes, please subscribe my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the future notifications. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye. See you very soon.